I'm not moving. They have to dodge me. They have to dodge me. I'm not moving. 30 seconds coming up. Patrick's found himself a nice spot. "20 seconds. Oh, Patrick, don't even, buddy. I know you want to. 15 seconds coming up. You ready on the wire?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Coming up, lads. Oh, lordy. Oh, we got pinchers. You're okay, you're okay. That's okay. I can work with that.
Yeah.
We're not going to go for pointing today. It won't work. Pointing won't work for us today. We just gotta fight for speed because we have that ability. Okay. Ooh. Nightmares, eh?
A little bit.
We are. I think Patrick's still ahead of us in terms of like position. That's okay. Jesus.
Everyone else put it so much higher.
I don't know because we are literally. Hang on, maybe I can try it. Alright, let's go for attack.
Oh my god, I was stuck.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try across the plate.
Nightmares, nightmares, nightmares.
Oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
Let's go again. Come on.
I know what I'm stuck on. Oh. Alright.
You okay?
Mom, I feel like I'm stuck on. I'm like my legs in it.
Dropping the 22.6 would have done wonders today. well, and we had the workout on. No. Well, yeah, and no. That's okay though. Let's go back again.
Fucking sorry.
You're okay.
It's so much harder to get out when it's like
Windy? When it's windy?
yeah.
I made a good noise. Oh, right in my ear. Right, D is here somewhere. Keep your eye out. This,
I want to go.
that's a lobster pot.
Huh?
That's a lobster pot.
Yeah. I want to say it's because you
It's right off the coast, we can't miss it.
got it.
It should be sort of like the only thing you can see around here. Oh well, I'm just gonna go for it and see what happens.
Is it the white one?
I think it might be, but it
Yeah,
should be
'cause I think
orange.
they're going around it.
They're not, they're just driving there.
Is it not lower?
No, that's 3. Okay, ready, bud?
Oh my god.
Okay, nice. Good.
I could get myself whiplash.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
No, no, it's right in by the shore.
That's too far for you.
I think so. We're gonna find out. Let's tack across again. There's 3 laps of this, Jesus. Because we'll get round it. It'll just be pretty tight. I think it's that white mark there.
Yeah.
Hang on, let me try. Yeah, there's really no more than that.
Yeah, no, I know.
Jesus.
I'm not
Because
just
we're
like.
no, we're not like near where we need to be in terms of pointing with the jib. It's got better, but it's still not amazing. Right, eyes peeled. Is that a V?
Yeah.
Okay. U is Barrel Rock. Should be up there. It'll be a close-ish reach. Still hard work, like, but. Or D, even not V.
Huh?
DU8. Okay, yes. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Nice. Right, where is this? One's 4 and one is you. Out. Okay. You're good, you're good. I know. We're definitely doing better, but a lot of it is just a fast boat. But they don't need to know that. Right, is that you?
I want to say yes.
Because one is you and one is 4.
I really need glasses.
I think it's you. It's almost certainly you. Now, let's not overshoot and whack the rocks on the other side. Because holy, it's tight in. Right, not yet, not yet.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Alright, let's get it.
After this is a love day.
Isn't it? Well, let's let the kicker off now. Whoa, Jesus. Okay, pull needs to come back. Sheet out, nice. Good, okay, there is going to be a jibe in here somewhere.
Okay.
Right, hang on, the pole is too low. There we go. It's looking better. Can you sheet out just a wee bit? No, okay. There's Patrick leading the fleet.
Huh?
Patrick leading the fleet.
Oh my god. This is actually hilarious.
Right, just careful when we jibe. I think this might be tangled around itself. It also might not be, so. He's actually crazy. He's leading the fleet in a radial.
He's in a radio?
Yeah.
Fuck off. You sure?
You know, yeah, I am sure. Alright. The moment we all dread jibing. Nice. Don't sheet in, don't sheet in. Good. Oh, it's just collapsed behind there. Okay, there we go. Very nice. I didn't even realize we were so close to jibing until it just happened.
Yeah, fine.
I just sheet it in and it came right over. Oh dear. Whoop, whoop. Very nice, very well done. I know, but that was a good first lap. That was something for the camera. Can't wait for it to not work.
Huh?
Can't wait for it to not work. Like this is the one time it doesn't.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I think so.
The battery's about to die.
So it's probably not working then.
I think it might have just died.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Is there like nothing on? Did the battery go away?
No, there's a tiny bit on. Like
Okay.
around 1/2 bar.
Okay, that's okay. Well, I don't know. It'll be much better when I get actual working GoPro, so. Yeah, it definitely gets the job done, but I want to get like a better one. Okay, no celebrations yet. We still need to drop it.
Shut up.
Do you want to sit up? I'll force her up a wee bit so we can go down more. Good, so good. Alright, a few kites up, that's okay. I'd much prefer if there weren't any, but you know, it's whatever.
What?
A few kites went up, but I'd much prefer if there weren't any that went up.
Yeah. Well, it just does.
Yeah, that's what it was like the other Wednesday, and it was less windy than this.
That's the one of the show people are like.
Alright, do you want to sheep back a wee bit on the kite? As in the pole towards you rather than... Oop. Sheet out, and then loosen off, yeah, nice. Okay, and just, you call it when?
When we're dropping it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say early.
Yep, I'm happy with that.
Is that too early?
No, you're good, you're good.
You ready?
Yeah. Okay, I'm happy that we are a little bit early, but
Yeah.
like it's whatever. Get yourself sorted, get the board done, that sort of stuff.
That was gonna be like
Yeah, but
bullshit.
yeah, it's okay. Just get yourself like ready to go round the mark. So actually get the board down, get yourself clipped on and stuff.
I'm not driving or anything.
No, it's straight across over to the line. It just loosen the jib. Yeah, we need to go across the line. Usually it's upwind from here, but this time it's not. Okay, nice. Ready on the wire?
Yeah.
It'll be really quick onto the wire.
Yeah.
Jib out. Too tight.
See, that makes more sense. Ah! Woo!
Jibbing a wee bit more. Nice square course they've given us, I like it. Oh, fucking hell.
Are you gonna make that?
Yeah.
Just cross the line?
Yeah, we need to go down and through it.
Oh my lord, you're smart.
Because we treat this as the upwind leg.
Yeah.
Right, ready to tighten up?
That's the most I'm getting.
Okay, that's fine. I'll work with that. Wait, this is our bad one. Bad side. Oh, Jesus.
If you get the chance to pull and spinning sheet, but don't worry about it. Speed just went
I know. Right, let's go about. Oh, hang on. Sorry. You fucking time traveler! I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Watch the hook. Yeah, let's go. You alright?
Oh my god! I hate it.
I'm so sorry. I was like, oh, ready to attack? Well, we can do it now. I just turned around, saw Beastie, I was like, fuck. That's, I'm so sorry.
I'm fucking ridiculously sure.
When I saw it, I was like, oh my god. Oh my god.
I can't breathe. Ugh. I got my hair wet. I don't look like fuck I'm wearing my glasses. Oh my god.
Right in front of Beastie as well. You see that though? We didn't capsize.
What?
We didn't capsize.
Yeah. Quick
I
reaction
fucking hope the camera got that. That's funny.
Let go.
Okay.
My swimming skills are amazing.
Yeah. It's that look you give me when you were. It was just fuck you.
With like mid-air.
No, like when I turn around to look at you when you're in the water.
I hate you.
I am so sorry.
It's not your fault, that was fully mine. Too much for my buff arm.
What did you not clip in or something, or did you
I
think
don't know.
you said?
I unclipped, said ready to attack, and then you were like, wait, never mind. So I think I tried to re-clip, and then my body just gave up. I followed some water.
I'm so sorry.
I have mascara in my eye.
I'm so sorry.
It's not your fault.
I know it's not, but I still feel bad.
Well, it happened.